What's up, Team Curlew? This is your girl Mo.
This is rapper Rose King.
Today we're going to speak to you guys about how we doing as of now. As you guys know, rapper been here, which is my husband, yay, for 7 months now. You can look at the previous videos. We have a store opening. I just uploaded a video about our store, and we just want to tell you guys how we doing right now. So rapper been here for 7 months now. He have 2 full-time jobs. I have 2 full-time jobs. We opening a store. We have a lot of things going on for this year. We just preparing ourselves, getting everything ready for our next adventure. So once the store get up and running and doing good, we have another store that's opening. We also trying to basically in negotiation, also sit down talking with our lawyers about open rapper a record label. I guess he's going to get a few artists out of Jamaica and start his label. So we are doing that as well. We speaking with our lawyers on that, but that's something that's up to come. So right now we just getting everything done right now in the other store, the clothing store. And with that background with the clothing store, we are an urban store that we sell like shoes, clothes, Nikes, Jordans, all etc.
All them J's, man. We got them J's. So good types, you know what I'm saying?
And where we at right now, they don't have any stores that sell like Polo, Armani, Exchange, True Religion. They don't have these store type of things up here. So we are the first store in our area to open that have all these different things. Glue on my face. But we are the kind of store that, you know, sell these type of things. So we've been, I can say we haven't been recording as much now because we're kind of busy, and plus we work also. Being that the store is open, we are trying to hire someone to work in the stores because we still working our jobs. The money don't stop, we don't stop. So we just try to put ourselves in positions to win, so we can take care of our family. All this is just to keep our heads above water. And also, we want to start businesses in Jamaica. So it's just sending us on a platform that we can provide more money within our bank account so we can go ahead and start our businesses in Jamaica as well.
Yeah, because definitely Jamaica is the place where I really want to take Royal Blue fashion. I really want to take it out there because, you know, we have a lot of good stuff inside our store that people gravitate to. So, you know, with us couple, me and my wife doing stuff in Jamaica, we know we can do it, you know. So look out for our Team Curlew.
Yes, and you know, I'm actually putting things together that I want to retire in Jamaica, so it's actually putting myself in a place that I can do so. So the businesses that I'm opening is just putting me in a position, me and my husband and our kids in a position that we can be comfortable and, you know, move back to Jamaica when it's time. We'll be back and forth, but that will be our permanent place to retire in. So we just setting up ourselves now, right now, to make that happen. So we just wanted to give you guys a good update on how we doing. Like, our relationship is definitely we get a lot of questions on how we tolerate each other. We tolerate each other because we so much alike. So little things get on my nerves when it comes to him, but it's not bad. Like little things. He's too playful sometimes when I don't want to be playful, but he's loving, and I love everything that it came along with my husband. Like it's communication with us. Everything we communicate. I get mad with him sometimes. Yes, I do. We not perfect, but I always give him kisses to make up. Like, baby, and then it just met his heart. We talk about it and we keep on.
Kisses.
And my routine as a wife and as, you know, just a wife in general, I make sure the house clean, cook, and that's just something that I like to do as a woman, to provide, to make sure he comfortable. I make sure when it's time for him to go to work, he have a snack or have a good lunch before he goes. I pack him, you know, stuff to go to work. If I'm not working before him, depends on my hours. If I get off before him, I make sure, you know, he have his dinner ready. You know, he comfortable so he can come in, wash his hands, and go straight to the table and eat and get comfortable. And I stay up if I'm off before him. Again, if I'm off before him, I stay up all day until he get home, and then also stay up with him again, like a little longer, so he can get comfortable, and then we prepare for bed.
What more a man could ask for?
Yes, I love my position as a wife. This is something that I love to do, so it come easy to me, for me and him to, you know, communicate, because
I'm not lying. God have blessed me with a beautiful, wonderful, gorgeous, just name it, woman in my life, you know what I'm saying? So from here on, from now on, here on, whatever, we're gonna be together forever. This is my ride and die chick right here. The both of us gonna be die together on the same bed. So yeah, I look out for that.
And that's what I like about my husband. When he speak about the future, he speak about us. So that's something that I like from the beginning. He wasn't like a short-term person. When he speak about the future and what we have planned together, what we got going on together. So long as you have somebody that, you know, speak you guys like in the future, just be like, oh, this is what we're gonna do in the future, this and that. I love everything about it. He's very genuine, he loving. As for me, I go with the flow. I feed off his energy, and which is his energy always be strong, so we feed off each other energy. We keep it going. We are very much happy. We work together. I don't have no problems with him with other females. I don't have no problems. So I don't have any problem by bringing my husband to Jamaica, from Jamaica to USA. I didn't have any problems. It was a smooth transition, and we still going strong. We still happy. I still make him laugh. He still make me laugh. It's just like we just here in the United States, not in Jamaica. We in one household, and we loving every moment of it. So that was a quick update on how we doing as of now. Everything is good. If you guys have any questions on what's next, and any questions about our relationship, anything, just drop it in the comments, and I'll go ahead and answer it. I'll always be on social media. So thank you guys for watching. Team Curlew, we out.